This is the Polaris range of upright, self-contained carpet and upholstery soil extraction cleaning machines. There are 4 machines in the range: the Polaris 500, the Polaris 700, the Polaris 800, and the largest Polaris 1200. They are suitable for use in institutions such as hospitals and care homes, hotels, conference centres, offices, and any large open carpeted areas. All the Polaris machines have a height adjustable handle which ensures ease and comfort for the operator. They all have a patented 4-wheel design to make the machine use and transportation extremely easy. This inlet is where the clean solution goes, and the wastewater is recovered into these buckets, which are easy to remove, empty and replace. There are 2 filters on the Polaris machine. The first is at the inlet to the clean solution tank, with the second at the rear of the machine. They both protect the pump from potential damage by preventing debris and foreign objects from passing through. Both filters need to be removed and regularly cleaned, like so. Underneath the Polaris, at the back of the housing, is the spray jet. This releases the clean solution onto the carpet as the machine is being pulled towards the operator whilst walking in a backwards direction. The power brush is self-adjusting to the height of the carpet without the operator needing to make a manual change. The purpose of the brush roller is to work the detergent into the soiled carpet. Lastly is the vacuum recovery head, which extracts the soiled water. Ensure that all 3 of these are kept clean and maintained correctly. The Polaris range of machines have a see-through recovery dome which allows a visual guide to the extraction process. Check regularly whilst cleaning to ensure that the dome and mesh filters are kept clean and clear of fibres. All the Polaris machine handles contain 3 green switches which activate the vacuum motor, the pump and the brush. On the top of the handle are 2 black push buttons. When either button is pressed, the clean solution is sprayed down and brushed into the carpet in one movement. Before commencing each clean, you will need to mix and add the required amount of the foamer concentrate into the recovery tank. This is crucial to avoiding unwanted foam buildup. The machine is operated like this. Make slightly overlapping passes to clean effectively. Extra vacuum passes with the machine will also aid drying times. The cleaning solution is visible through this sight tube, and any remaining solution can be emptied once the cleaning is complete. The addition of an extension hose to the machine allows the operator to attach accessories such as a hand tool or carpet wand. The accessory vacuum hose is connected like so. Ensure that the accessory solution hose is clicked in correctly. Once connected, this enables the operator to clean stairs, upholstery, tackle spots and spills, or even deal with those hard to reach areas such as under desks and tables. Remember, each of these machines comes with a voucher to attend 1 day of a Prochem training course free to help you get the best results when cleaning carpets with your machine.